Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start by measuring ingredients precisely for thick, bakery-style cookies. Use 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour and add 2 teaspoons of cornstarch to make dough thicker. Use 1 cup of brown sugar and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar for more moisture and structure. Include 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/2 teaspoon of salt to balance rise and flavor. Choose 12 ounces of chocolate chips and consider large chunks. Chill the dough for at least 2 hours or 24 hours. Texture depends on technique. Cream butter and sugar, but avoid overbeating. Cream butter until just fluffy, not fully melted, at 65 to 68 degrees F. Add sugars and mix until combined, then incorporate 1 whole egg plus 1 egg yolk for chew and structure. Fold and dry ingredients gently to preserve air pockets. Stir in chocolate. For tall cookies, scoop 3 tablespoons per cookie and press dough slightly to a rounded mound. Stacking dough vertically helps height. Rest scoop dough in the fridge 15 to 30 minutes before baking. Preheat oven and use a middle rack for even heat. Bake at 350 degrees F for 10 to 30 minutes until edges set and centers look slightly underbaked. This ensures a thick, tender center. Rotate the pan once if your oven has hot spots. After baking, cool cookies on the sheet for 5 minutes, then transfer to a rack to finish so bottoms do not flatten. To preserve texture, store airtight at room temperature up to 3 days or freeze up to 3 months in a sealed bag.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.